become a BIM manager? Do I need to learn Revit? What software should I start? And then I say, no, don't start on softwares, because if you don't understand anything about processes, you will be dead by the end of the day, you know? Because being a BIM manager is more about knowing what softwares can and cannot do than actually having deep software knowledge, right? Because for deep software knowledge, then you have the BIM modelers, you have people that are really big experts on doing that. As a BIM manager, you need to know how to manage processes and how to manage people, and you need to know how to deal with people. That's something that no one talks about also.